Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. And in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you, just wanted to show you a particular live trade that I'm in. I'm using the trend trailer strategy and indicator. Basically this is the strategy, an awesome strategy, and it's mind-blowing, trust me. I'm basically in a trade right now, and the trade seems to be going well. Now basically, why did I actually take the trade? Very simple. As I explained in the previous videos on how the indicator works, um you can see that my indicator here already give me an arrow. You can see the trend trailer indicator already gave me a down arrow, showing that the market is going downwards. All right, and you can see that this white line here, you can see that the white line has not touched. I see that the white line has not touched this upper Bollinger Band. So the next thing I'm waiting for is so once that correlates, once the white line touches the lower Bollinger Band right here, and the and my arrow here shows the down arrow, you can see. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is just place my entry and just wait for the market to just do its thing. So I'm in a sell trade right now, and I'm going to be showing you the result of this trade particularly. So but if you're new to this channel, I'd like you to click the bell button and also subscribe to this channel, because in this channel all we do is win, no matter what. All we do is win. So if you're new to this channel, just click the subscribe button and also hit the bell button. And also do not forget that we should also have the free Telegram group. All right, so and there's a free course also. There's a free course, and you could also reach me on WhatsApp. So all these links are also in the description below, so just make do to help yourself with those links by checking the description below and clicking them accordingly as you want. All right, so basically I'm going to be updating you on this particular trade and just to see how it goes. So I'm on the 15 minutes chart. So it's a software that is basically good for both scalping and swing trading. So if you're a scalper, this indicator is awesome and it's very good for you. If you are a swing trader, it's also a good one for you. So it all depends on the time frame you want to look at. For a swing trader, you'll be considering from 1 hour, 4 hours daily chart time frame, and for the scalpers you'll be looking at 15 minutes, 5 minutes, or I would say basically for scalping you look at 5 minutes, 1 minute. Intraday trades, that is, just take trades that closes, might take the whole of the day but it doesn't exceed that day. That's intraday. You're looking at 15 minutes time frame. So basically I got this signal on the 15 minutes time frame, and so I'll just pause this video and I'll show you guys the result after. So I'll see you very soon. Okay, so now you can see what is happening here. You can see that the trend is just going crazy, guys. It's going crazy. It's awesome. Yeah, so this is the power of the trend trailer indicator, guys. You can see I was away from this trade for I was away when the trade got to this particular level right here. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 times 15. Let's look at that. For okay, that was almost that's 1 hour 45 minutes, almost 2 hours. You see, intra-trade trading, guys, very easy and stressless. You can see my take profit just right here. The truth is, I actually don't set my take profit at this particular point. My take profit was supposed to be at this particular level. This is where I put my take profit actually, but I actually moved it a little bit further so that I could actually explain to you guys what this how this strategy works, so that you could actually see it before I hit my take profit. I wanted you guys to just see it, so that you'll know that this strategy actually works. So for those that are actually interested in indicator, just chat me up, please, and please, and please. If you need the indicator, please, I beg you in the name of God, chat me up. These are my details right here. WhatsApp. Don't chat me up asking me to help you trade and help you build your money. That your money is $5, your money is $20, you want to move it to $50, you want to move it to $100. I don't offer trading support. Please understand that I don't offer trading support. Those that should communicate with me are strictly those that want to improve their trading by purchasing the indicator. The reason why I'm taking my time to actually show you that this is potent, that this strategy is potent, this indicator is potent, is because I want you all to be profitable. And that's the reason why I'm making it at a giveaway price. So please, if you are not willing to purchase indicator, if you are not willing to get a better life for yourself, this indicator is not $100. This indicator is not even $50. It's at a giveaway price. So please, if your intentions are not to purchase the indicator, please don't contact me. I beg you in the name of God, because I'm tired of people calling me asking me to help them increase their account to $100 to $50 to whatever. I am not a money doubler. I trade and I also make losses, but the thing is, I have more wins than losses. Any trader that tells you that you cannot lose, that you will not lose, is a liar. You cannot trade FX, no matter the market. You cannot trade and win all the time 100%. It's not possible. The only thing that you can try as much as possible to get is to get maximum wins than losses. When you're making, when you're winning 80% or 90% of your trade, or at least 70% of your trades, with proper risk management, trust me, you are good to go. You don't need someone to come and be telling you that you're gonna make 100% profit. That's not possible anywhere. So without saying too much, so basically what you'll be getting from this, number one, is the indicator. Oh, you can see, just look at this, guys. Mad. This is crazy. This is mind-blowing. You can see it's just about eating my take profit, and I just wanted to eat it right in front of you guys. And do not forget, this is not my regular take profit, guys. This is not my regular take profit, guys. It has gone beyond this where I put as take profit. You can see it has hit it. You can see that's it. So I can close these trades. I can close all these trades. All right. So that's it. That's it, guys. That's just how it works. That's how it works. This is just how it works, guys. So basically, what do you get from the trend trailer indicator? Is very simple. You get the indicator, one, and two, I teach you the major way how to trade it. Trust me, how you're going to trade this indicator. If you're smart, you can actually discover how to set it up yourself. There is no problem. A lot of persons would have discovered how to set it up themselves, But trust me, you cannot know the strategy behind how I trade this, because the strategy on how I trade this is beyond the indicator itself. It is beyond the indicator itself. So basically, what I do is I set up some things outside the indicator that makes the indicator look like that makes it feel safe. Feel safe. So guys, you can see the market is still pushing downwards. Is in fact it's pushing downwards massively. So if you need this indicator, do not forget to contact me, and this here's my WhatsApp contact, here's my WhatsApp details, and I'll see you in the next video. So take care and bye for now.